Greetings, this is Edward Ojambo. Ojambo.com has a new article about using Geany PHP web server. The link is ojambo.com/Geany PHP web server. Okay. As usual, you can find the code and all the instructions at ojambo.com. I also include some screenshots for easy to follow along. You can expand the source to get the sample PHP files I'm going to be using for this tutorial. I've also opened up the Geany review of the lightweight programming editors. You can read more about Geany. It's a lightweight IDE. A lot of features, and one of the features today we're going to be using is the built-in web server for PHP. And as usual, PHP web development without a web server. The link is also at ojambo.com. You can simply follow along there. Just going to use those two to build our own web application. Okay, if you ever need help with web or mobile applications for Android, BlackBerry, and other devices, please visit ojamboservices.com. That's ojamboservices.com. Okay, let's begin. I've opened up a new instance of Geany. So I'll create a new project, and I'll just call this one web PHP. You can change the file name and base file name, but for this mission purposes, we just use the defaults. Okay, and we go to project properties, and we go to the build tab, and this is where we'll change the execute commands. So let's create a brand new PHP file. I'm going to save this one as the index.php. And then I'll just I'll use some HTML, and I'll embed the PHP. So for the title, I'll just call it ojambo.com Geany PHP web server and index. And here I'll just create some h1 tags, and this is where we'll embed the PHP. So just zoom in here so you guys can see a little bit better. Just echo, this is the index page. Close the PHP tags, and if PHP is working properly, that should be echoed onto the screen. And this will be just a link to go to a second page, which will be php.test.php, which hasn't been created yet. I'm going to create it right now. This is just to show that PHP does work on the web server. You don't need Apache or all the others. You can just use if you have PHP 5.4. So the title, we change this one to ojambo.com Geany web PHP server tester. And then just to go a little bit faster, I'll just copy and paste from the index PHP file, and I'll change the echo statement. We'll say tester page, and that'll be index, and I'll go back to the index.php file. Okay. Now we need to change our build commands. Under the execute, we're going to, you notice there's an empty space for a separate command, but for this demonstration purposes, we use this one as well. So you can just put localhost 8000, that'll be the port number. You can use Sensible Browser, that's for Debian, which is basically Iceweasel. You can use any browser you want. You can use Firefox, Conqueror, Safari, Chromium. I'm going to be using Chrome. Localhost 8000. And the name, the %f means the file name. So for example, if I want to, what specific file name I want to run. So in this example, I'm running tester.php. If I want to run that in the web browser, I just click the execute, or I go to build execute, which is F5 as a shortcut. See, it automatically opens, and it does work in the web browser. And I can just click the shortcut right in the tools tab. So it works as intended. And the different index.php page also does work. So tested 2 different PHP files. I hope you find this information useful. The entire tutorial can be found at ojambo.com. Please visit and leave feedback.